I made this bracelet. Nice, right? Not bad. I made it on a yeah, regular loom. It's not a rainbow loom, but it's a regular one. And I only have one, so I had to attach it, and it is really the attachments are really ugly. So I put some looms on top of that. And this is for a birthday girl, actually. So it's a little gift for a birthday girl. And I think she's gonna be really happy. Well, guys, we're going on the bike ride again. It's been a while, so we'll see. We're going on the bike ride. Oh yeah, I must admit something to you. I'm a loomaholic. I'm addicted to looming. Oh, but yeah, it's better than being addicted to cigarettes, right? I guess it is. I don't know. We'll see. Well, guys, we made it to Drongen. Well, almost, There's a bridge on top of us now, and if you go over the bridge that way, like this way, then you are in Drongen. And, yeah, I feel good. I feel really good. Oh, we made it. That was my plan, actually. We made it. I'm sweating like a pig. I'm wet all over. I'm sweating like a pig, but I feel okay. See, I got everything on my bike. A light, and a bell, and a backlight. Yay! And a saddle. That's not such a good one, but it'll do. Of course, I got a Molly with me. She'll be tired. She's happy. Her tail is down, but not in between her legs, so yeah, she's happy. And somebody wrote something here. I don't know. I'll try to film it. I don't know if you can see it then. Nature is trying to win her fight. Please help her out. And there's something here too. Grow some flowers and vegetables. Plant a tree, and every once in a while look at the moon. Nice. That's in Dutch, by the way. Well, guys, we made it. We are in Zwijnaarden. We're not home yet. It's just one street away. So we are in Zwijnaarden. Yeah! We made it! And Molly didn't die yet. There she is. There she is. Our Molly star. Sweating my ass off. Really. I'm wet in places that you never knew that could be wet, Now, I must say, some graffiti is just dirty. It's not nice. Some graffiti is pure art. And this graffiti, that I told you, is just pure philosophy. And with that in mind, I like to say, this is the end of the day and the end of this vlog. And we're going back home. Bye.